Welcome to the first section, Introduction to the Sustainable Garden. Gardening is a rewarding hobby. It connects us with nature and provides fresh food. A perennial garden is a great way to make your garden more sustainable. Perennial plants come back year after year, which means less work for you. They also provide food over a longer period. Perennial vegetables are easy to grow and many are very hardy. They can withstand cold winters and hot summers. Once established, they require minimal care. This makes them a good choice for busy gardeners. A perennial garden is a gift that keeps on giving. With a little planning and effort, you can enjoy fresh homegrown produce for years to come. Let's explore some popular choices for your perennial garden. Now let's delve into section 2. Globe artichokes, architectural wonders. Globe artichokes are a stunning addition to any garden. Their large, silvery green leaves are architectural and add visual interest. The edible flower buds are a delicious and nutritious treat. Artichokes prefer full sun and well-drained soil. Plant them in spring. Choose a spot with plenty of space as they can grow quite large. Water them regularly, especially during dry spells. Harvest artichoke buds when they are plump and the scales are tightly closed. Cut the stem about an inch below the bud. Enjoy these delicious treats steamed, grilled or roasted. Moving on to section 3. Cardoon, the artichoke's cousin. Cardoon is a close relative of the artichoke. It is grown for its edible stalks, not its flower buds. The stalks have a unique artichoke-like flavor. They can be enjoyed in stews, soups and stir-fries. Cardoon thrives in full sun and well-drained soil. Plant it in spring or fall. It is a tall plant, so give it plenty of room to grow. Water it deeply and regularly. Harvest cardoon stalks in late fall or early winter. Cut the stalks at the base of the plant, remove the tough outer fibers before cooking. Section 4. Rhubarb, the pie plant. Rhubarb is a perennial vegetable that is often mistaken for a fruit. Its tart stalks are used in pies, jams, and other desserts. Rhubarb is a cool season crop, preferring partial shade and moist soil. Plant rhubarb in early spring. It can tolerate a range of soil types. Make sure to water it regularly, especially during dry periods. Avoid harvesting stalks in the first year to allow the plant to establish itself. Harvest rhubarb stalks in spring, choosing those that are thick and firm. Twist and pull the stalks to remove them from the plant, but remember, do not eat the leaves as they are poisonous. Section 5. Perennial kale, a leafy green for all seasons. Perennial kale, also known as walking stick kale, is a hardy and productive green vegetable. It can withstand cold temperatures and provide fresh greens throughout the year. Plant perennial kale in spring or fall in a sunny or partially shaded location with well-drained soil. Water it regularly, especially during dry spells. Harvest the leaves as needed. While the older leaves are tougher and are great for soups and stews, the young leaves are tender and delicious in salads. Section 6. Asparagus, spring delicacy. Asparagus is a perennial vegetable prized for its tender spears. It is a spring delicacy that is rich in nutrients. Asparagus prefers full sun and well-drained soil. Plant asparagus crowns in early spring. Dig a trench and space the crowns about 18 inches apart. Cover them with soil and water them well. Do not harvest asparagus in the first 2 years to allow the plants to establish strong roots. In subsequent years, harvest spears in spring when they are about 6 to 8 inches tall. Section 7. Conclusion, reap the rewards. A perennial garden offers numerous benefits. It provides a sustainable source of fresh produce, requires minimal effort after initial planting, and adds beauty to your landscape. By incorporating plants like globe artichokes, cardoon, rhubarb, perennial kale, and asparagus, you can enjoy a bountiful harvest for years to come. Embrace the joy of gardening and savor the flavors of your perennial garden.